Jesus. What's up, everybody? Joseph here, animator, game maker, and comic maker, creator. I'm making a comic called Slaughter Squad. Please check it out. Sign up on Indiegogo, and you'll be the first to know when this comic launches. Anyways, I just watched Thundercats, and I wasn't going to watch it, but I figured I saw some people talking about it online, and I heard people talking about the animation quality, and some people say it was good, it was bad, everything between, and I just wanted to chime in as a pro animator, give my opinion on it. Well, I guess to start off with, I'm not crazy about the designs. The art direction is kind of, but it's to be expected from Cartoon Network. All their shows kind of look like that, so it's no surprise. And it's whatever. I mean, would I prefer something like I'm not a big Thundercats fan. It was kind of before my time. I was born in '86, so I kind of missed the Thundercats train. So I don't care if they change it. It's just the style that they landed on is just so lame. They did another remake in 2011, and I think that was produced in Japan, and that looked pretty cool. It was pretty. It paid homage to the original and improved, and the animation was pretty solid, and it was a good action cartoon. But I understand. This is a Warner Brothers thing, so they wanted to Americanize it. They want to, but and then maybe they're aiming for a different audience. But visually it looks like it's for little kids, but then you look at the jokes and the writing, and it's like, not really. This isn't really a show for 2-year-olds based on the writing, but visually it looks like it's a show for 2-year-olds. But anyways, I would have preferred if they went with something more along the lines of Samurai Jack or something, a little, cartoony, but it's got a little bit of an edge to it, I love Genndy Tartakovsky, like if he something, or even like the DC stuff, the Bruce Timm style, it's clean, but it still looks cool. Anyways, my impression of the animation is inconsistent. There's some kind of bad animation, and then there's some good, serviceable animation. Nothing great, nothing like blowing your mind, but nothing really. Maybe one or two moments. Oh, excuse me. Maybe one or two moments that were impressive. Let's see what. I mean, I don't really even remember. Maybe the scene. Some of the action scenes where they're flying towards the camera in perspective, and you've got a lot of movement. That was pretty good. It was like fully animated, frame by frame. But then you got scenes where it's like puppet style cutout animation, and it's like you can just really tell, they just put a pivot point here and they're just moving things. And then there are other scenes where it's really bad, and it's just literally popping frame to frame. It's like there's only 2 drawings in the whole scene. And then they do go off model a lot. I'm not opposed to going off model. Like, you can go off model if you're doing something cool with it. They don't really do anything cool with it. They just go off model and make like stupid meme faces, like make cat faces and duck lips and things. And I didn't find it. I mean, none of the jokes landed for me. I didn't find any of the visual gags great, except the part where his sword gets huge. That was kind of fun, but they didn't really set it up very well. Um, but yeah, going off model, the animation, the inconsistency of the animation was really what kind of threw it off. It was jarring. But yeah, in general, it was just kind of boring, kind of lame. Nothing very interesting, and yeah, too bad. Thundercats. It could have been really cool. Oh well. It's probably gonna. I mean, and that's not even mentioning the. I mean, there does seem to be in the story, the writing. There seems to be like they completely neutered Lionel, the main character. They made him into an incompetent idiot, and it's just not. That's not cool. Like, if you're trying to make a kids show, don't fill it with all this postmodern, ironic deconstruction. You know, just give the boys a good role model. Just make them a hero. So I found that very annoying. I don't know if I'll show this to my son. I have a 4-year-old son. He likes cartoons, but you know, I'm trying to be careful what I show him. And maybe just showing him the first episode won't be too bad. I'm kind of curious how he would react to it. He might laugh at some of the stupid stuff. He definitely won't get the jokes, but some of the goofy humor of them hurting themselves and acting like idiots, yeah, he might appreciate that. He's 4. I don't know. I might do that. I might experiment. Maybe just show him the first part. Whatever. Who cares? Yeah, this is the state of modern TV animation. Yeah, clearly it was inspired by Adventure Time, Steven Universe, shows like that. It's getting kind of old. It's getting tired, formulaic. Yeah, do something different, Cartoon Network. Try something new. Take a chance. And just leave the politics out of it. Just make something cool. Alright, that's all I gotta say about Thundercats. Peace out.